Good morning everybody. I am so Avtar Madam from Lanza Junior College. Today we are going to discuss the differentiation of logarithmic functions, that is exercise 1.3 question number first. We are going to discuss only here hardly two examples. Okay. Before going to discuss the examples, see the basic laws of logarithms. Log of m into the base a equal to log m to the base a plus log m to the base a. Log of m upon n to the base a equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Third one, log of m raised to n to the base a equal to n log m to the base a, and log e to the base e equal to 1. Next, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, and differentiation of log of f of x equal to 1 upon the function into differentiation of the function. Okay, let us solve the examples. If the examples are rational power of the other functions, then we are going to use the we are going to solve the examples by taking logarithms on both sides. First one is x plus 1 raised to 2 divided by x plus 2 raised to 3 x plus 3 raised to 4. First, define the function. Here, let y equal to x plus 1 raised to 2 divided by x plus 2 raised to 3 x plus 3 raised to 4. Taking log on both sides, log y equal to log of x plus 1 raised to 2 divided by x plus 2 raised to 3 x plus 3 raised to 4. So, apply here first log m upon n formula. So, we can write log of x plus 1 raised to 2 minus log of x plus 2 raised to 3 x plus 3 raised to 4. Therefore, write here, apply here first. Here, first write as it is x plus 1 raised to 2 minus here. We can apply here log of mn formula. So, we can write log of x plus 2 raised to 3 plus log of x plus 3 raised to 4. Log m plus log n. Next, apply here log m raised to n formula. So, we can write 2 log x plus 1 minus, take the terms outside the bracket at the same time. We can write this as minus 3 log of x plus 2. Here it is a plus sign, outside the bracket minus, therefore sign is going to change. 4 log x plus 3. Now see here, this step is ready for differentiation. So differentiating with respect to x, LHS becomes 1 upon y dy upon dx. And see the RHS, 2 is a constant term, log of x plus 1 is there, differentiation of log function is 1 upon the function into differentiation of the function. Next, minus 3 is the constant, differentiation of log x plus 2 is first write 1 upon x plus 2 into d dx of x plus 2. Third term is minus 4, 1 upon the function is x plus 3 and d dx of x plus 3. Okay, 1 upon y dy upon dx equal to 2 divided by x plus 1. Differentiation of x is 1, 1 is 0, minus 3 divided by x plus 2, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 2 is 0, minus 4 divided by x plus 3, differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 3 is 0. Okay. Now simplify this, 1 upon y dy upon dx equal to 2 into 1, 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. Okay. Now by cross multiplication we can write y into the bracket 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 into the bracket x plus 2 minus 4 divided by x plus 3. Now put the value of y, that is, what is the value of y? Given that x plus 1 raised to 2 divided by x plus 2 raised to 3 x plus 3 raised to 4 into the bracket 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x plus 2 minus 4 divided by x plus 3. This is the answer. Next, consider the second example. Consider the second example, that is cube root of 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x raised to 2. First define the function. Take here, let y equal to, if root x we can write x raised to 1 upon 2, cube root of x we can write x raised to 1 upon 3. Here it's a cube root, so we can write like this. See, 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x raised to 2 raised to 1 upon 3. Now here power is 1 upon 3. This power is belongs to both numerator and denominator. Taking log, we can solve this example. Log y equal to log of 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x raised to 2 raised to 1 upon 3. So first apply a third law of logarithm. Take 1 upon 3 log of 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x raised to 2. Okay. Next apply here m upon n formula. 1 upon 3 is common for both. Log of 4x minus 1 minus 1 upon 3 log of 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x raised to 2. Now see here, apply here once again log mn formula. So we can write log of 4x minus 1 minus 1 upon 3 log of 2x plus 3. We are going to write here plus 1 upon 3 log of 5 minus 2x raised to 2. Okay. Now take the terms. 1 upon 3 log of 4x minus 1 minus, take the term outside the bracket, log of 2x plus 3, here it is a plus, here it is a minus, sign is going to change. At the same time you can write this as 2 upon 3 log of 5 minus 2x. Now this step is ready for differentiation. Differentiating with respect to x, LHS becomes 1 upon y dy upon dx. See here, 1 upon 3 is a constant. Differentiation of log function, 1 upon the function into d dx of the function, minus 1 upon 3 is a constant, 2x plus 3, 1 upon the function is 2x plus 3 into d dx of 2x plus 3 minus 2 upon 3 is a constant. Differentiation of this term, 1 upon the function 5 minus 2x into d dx of 5 minus 2x. 1 upon the function, differentiation of the function, 1 upon the function, differentiation of the function. Therefore 1 upon y dy upon dx equal to, see here, 1 upon 3, differentiation of 4x is 4, differentiation of 1 is 0, 4x minus 1 minus 1 upon 3, differentiation of 2x is 2, differentiation of 3 is constant number is 0, 2x plus 3 minus 2 upon 3. Here differentiation of 5 is 0 and differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2, divided by 5 minus 2x. So we can write 4 upon 3 into the bracket 4x minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 2x plus 3 minus into minus plus 4 upon 3 5 minus 2x. Then by cross multiplication we can write dy upon dx, that is y into the bracket 4 upon 3 4x minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 2x plus 3 plus 4 upon 3 5 minus 2. Finally put the value of y, that is cube root of 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 5 minus 2x raised to 2. Next write this bracket 4 upon 3 4x minus 1 minus 2 upon 3 2x plus 3 plus 4 upon 3 into the bracket 5 minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, we will solve the next examples in the next video.